everyone, and welcome to the fam.
Yesterday was the longest day of the year, which means...
Smiling!
No. Today is summer.
Oh.
Today's the first day of summer.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now, what does everybody want to do on the first day of summer?
Smile!
Smile, yeah. So we're going to show you a real quick way to brighten those smiles.
Yep, roll it. This is a picture of me and my dad watching my sister's soccer practice. We have pretty nice smiles already, but we're going to make them even better by whitening our teeth. So let's get started. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There, now I can see our teeth. And we're going to be as non-destructive as possible, which means we're not going to mess anything up with our original image. Now let's click an adjustment layer at the bottom and choose hue and saturation. Now see where it says master up there? Go ahead and change master to yellow. Now we're going to click saturation all the way down. And that's going to take the color out. And turn the lightness up to about 37-ish. See? Look at the grass. But also look at our teeth. Whiteness. Let's close the property panel. And now select our mask or adjustment layer and hit Command-I on our keyboard. So that's going to set our mask from visible to invisible. Now the changes are hidden, but not for long. Grab your brush and make sure you have the color white. Now just paint over the teeth. And pow! Magic! And here's the before and after. Bright smile for a bright summer day. Hope you learned something. See you next time. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button down below and smash that subscribe button to be part of our design fam. See you next time. Bye!